Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we are here at Jefferson State Park in Richmond, Ohio.
Jefferson Lake. Jefferson
What did I
Lake.
say?
You just said Jefferson. It's
yeah.
Jefferson Lake.
Yeah, they have a lake
State
here.
Park.
Yeah.
Tell
them why
we're here. We're here just for the weekend, and this is our first snowy camping this year. Look at, and the sun's setting back there. It's pretty.
Yeah, it's like 5 o'clock yet.
Hey. And hopefully it's supposed to warm up slightly because it's been pretty cold. So anyways, we're here because we're gonna go head into Steubenville tomorrow and check out the nutcrackers. They have a whole display of life-sized nutcrackers.
I think they're all over
town.
the town.
Yeah, I think they're all over. All kinds of Christmas festivities and stuff going on. So looking forward to checking that out.
Yeah, we're just kind of waiting on our friends Chuck and Cherie from En Route Chuck and Cherie. They're joining us this weekend.
Yeah.
So looking forward to that. We haven't seen them in a few months.
Yeah, it's been a little while.
Yeah.
Tailgate, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I think tailgate. But it's going to be quiet and peaceful here and relaxing. This is a small park.
Yeah, this is our first time here.
Yeah.
We've never been here.
Yeah, first time. Small park. I don't know how many sites. We'll have to figure that out.
Yeah. Looks like they're doing a lot of construction, like building new bathrooms and stuff.
Yeah. There's only, what'd you say, 3 electrical sites?
Yeah, I believe 3
Yeah,
sites.
3 sites with electricity. Us and Chuck and Cherie, and then there's one other camper here. We haven't seen them yet.
Of course, in between us.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think
we'll make friends.
Yeah, I think you can also have horses here.
I think it's a horseman's camp, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, because I think that's a spot over there to tie your horses up.
Yeah. So, we'll show you around and let you know what we discover in the area.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Yep.
So many years, and we're still here. Your baby blues still drive me crazy. Sips of wine, our souls align. Don't walk away, come closer, baby. We go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Oh, life is good, let's get happy. A little love is all we need. Life is good for you and me. Life is good, let's get happy. Roll the dice and we got lucky. Life is good, yeah, life is good. It's good today. Your long red hair, beauty in your stare. I still get chills, so don't keep me waiting. Stay up all night, I'll hold you right. Skin to skin, baby, it's a toxic.
Well, guys, we are here, historic downtown Steubenville, for the nutcrackers.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go,
Steubenville is historic Fort Steuben, which actually is part of the Lewis and Clark Trail.
Bells jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
From all of us to all of you, Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.